Good evening, TCG fam. Chart Gal Lori here, bringing you the Fab4Futures. I'll be going over RTY, ES, NASDAQ, and the Dow. I'm starting with RTY tonight. It has been the weakest. I have left it to the end the last week and a half, and now it seems to be our canary. It has slowed down the consolidation and making this push faster than the other three sectors, and I will give you my opinions as to why I think that is. So we'll start with a 4-hour chart. RTY still has to deal with this 200 MA overhead at 1539.90. So just keep that in mind. It has cleared the 50 MA on the 4-hour. And what I anticipate is some type of equilibrium. So we got this double bottom, which I missed it getting my hair done, dang it. But right here, 1511.80 was the low. And it double bottom with that 1511.40 on the 4-hour. I just obviously didn't zoom out today during my trading and catch that double bottom. That was a great trade entry. I missed it. We could possibly get a lower high in this area and then pull back at a higher low before we get some continuation. So again, on RTY, it's definitely our canary. Let's look at it on the hourly. It is the first one to clear the 50 MA on the hourly. So that's why I'm calling it the canary, yet it hasn't dealt with the 200 MA on the 4-hour. So hourly cleared the 50 MA, 4-hour still has the 200 MA to contend with. If we clear 1538.20, our next resistance is 1548.90. We have support at that double bottom 1511.80/40 and then 1500 psychological. ES on the 4-hour, as you can see, it is handily cleared that 200 MA, but on the 1-hour, it still has not cleared this 50 MA. So it's closer to clearing and making an hourly higher high right here. It got this beautiful double bottom at 28.75.25 and needs to clear 288.975 to change the hourly trend. And of course, we need that hourly higher low. So just watch this hourly 50 MA at 2888. We need a candle close above in order for the bulls to get a little comfortable with this bounce. NASDAQ is what has me leaning toward the equilibrium on RTY as well, is because when I look at NASDAQ, this is a 100-point bounce plus in order to change this trend on the 4-hour. As you can see, it's resting comfortably on the 21 EMA and the 200 MA. It needs to clear 7,600 in order to get a trend change. We have support at 74.61 and then a mild support right here at 74.30. So let's say an area of support. And as you can see, the consolidation today happened on low bear volume, which is what the bulls want to see. On the hourly, it has cleared the 8 and the 21, and it still has the 50 MA overhead. It's working on that level 75.13. So just keep these 50, 100 is the blue line, but the 50 and the 200 is the purple. Keep these lines on your chart. These moving averages come into play more often than not. I'll be talking about them more often as I do my videos. And YM. YM, again, resting comfortably on the 21 EMA on the 4-hour. It has cleared the 50, the 200, and the 100. The bulls need to break 26261 in order to get a trend change on the 4-hour. On the hourly, it too has the 50 MA overhead. So that's our spirit guide for the evening. It needs to break 26.098 to have an hourly trend change. This bear pullback happened on lower bear volume, which is why the bears weren't able to get very far. As you can see, we've got the 100 MA acting as support as well. We have a convergence, if you will, right in this area and a comfortable close above 26,100. Let's just call it 26,100 that would be a trend change, and that would also be another canary. So I'm really watching YM and RTY, and mainly RTY. It has gone from our laggard to our leader today on June 11th. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the room.